some of this?
No, I don't want any
want some?
problem.
Here!
Hi, I'm Lon Therian. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the baseball bat defenses that we practice in Full Circle on East Amano. Joining me today is John Badessa. Okay, John. So, the danger with a baseball bat attack or with a baseball bat swing is when John swings, I don't want to be on the end. This is where the power is going to be, or the force. I need to get to the inside. I have the option in the moment of running away, but what if my attacker or opponent can run faster than me or has more endurance than me? So that could be a problem. So you have the choice of running, and you have the choice of closing in or entering. I choose to enter and not run, especially in my 60s. So, as John swings, I'm going to be stepping out at a 45. If he swung on this side, I'm going to be stepping out on a 45 because I'm trying to get to zero pressure. I'm in no danger here. If I did nothing at all to block, as long as I am here, I am safer, obviously, than if I was on the end. So, he attacks, I step out using a heaven and earth block. One arm up, one arm down. I'm going to strike. It could be with an open hand palm strike, it could be with a punch. I punch as I grab. I drop my arm. I perform what we call a body twist disarm. Now, depending on the situation, if I have to continue, I can strike the knee, and I can also thrust with the bat. Let's try it again from another angle. So, my attacker is coming with a forehand strike. I'm going to step out at a 45. I'm going to strike as I grab the bat. Drop my arm down and body twist disarm. I now have the bat. I can strike, whether you hold it like you're swinging a baseball bat in baseball, or holding it like a hockey stick, or holding it like a sledgehammer or an axe, okay, if you want to swing it this way. Experiment with that to see which one generates more power for you. So I could strike to the knee, and I can use the bat to thrust as well. So that is a baseball bat defense that we practice in Full Circle on East Amano. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.